If you're here, you probably already know the value of customer feedback. So let's jump straight into looking at what apps are best for gathering it. I'll show you the 4 most popular solutions for HubSpot surveys, starting with the simplest but also most basic choice, HubSpot's own built-in customer feedback software. Then we'll look at 3 survey apps that are most commonly used by HubSpotters to gather customer feedback, i.e. they have the most installs among all survey tools on HubSpot's app marketplace, starting from the good, going all the way to the very best. In 4th place, we have HubSpot Surveys. HubSpot has its own native surveys. You don't have to install anything, you can simply create surveys in HubSpot and send them to your contacts. This is the most affordable way to send surveys if you are already using HubSpot. But HubSpot surveys are only sufficient for very basic use cases. There are 3 survey templates: NPS, CSAT, and CES. For any other purpose, you will have to build a survey manually. HubSpot surveys offer 12 question types. You can reuse questions you added to previous surveys and clone past surveys. You can use personalization tokens like contact names in the questions. You'll have access to limited analysis and the option to look through individual responses. You can filter the results, for example, by company name or response type, like NPS detractors. You can also opt to see only the responses with qualitative comments. The analysis section, on the other hand, offers quantitative insights. For example, in the NPS survey analysis, you'd see the number of survey views, submissions, text submissions, the NPS score, and the NPS breakdown. The biggest limitation is the customization. All surveys will look the same. You can pretty much just change the theme color and add your logo, and add or remove the image on the thank you page. Pricing. If you are using HubSpot's free CRM, you'll need to upgrade to HubSpot Service Hub and purchase the Service Starter Package. This will cost you $15 a month if you commit for at least 1 year, or $20 a month if you want to pay on a monthly basis. More advanced features like survey logic, highly specific behavioral triggers, and certain types of detailed analytics are more refined in a dedicated survey tool. So let's have a look at some of those. In 3rd place, Survey Sparrow. There are only 3 reviews of this app on HubSpot's app marketplace, which unfortunately means a star rating cannot be generated. Survey Sparrow is an app for ticketing, capturing new leads on websites, and surveying through messaging platforms. You can even send surveys through WhatsApp. Survey Sparrow also supports Stripe payment forms. Key features of the integration with HubSpot include triggering a CSAT or NPS survey when a ticket is closed with HubSpot workflows, tracking the CSAT or NPS score and updating the HubSpot ticket field, but you will have to create the field in HubSpot first, and capturing new leads from your website. Pricing. The HubSpot integration is unavailable for some cheaper plans, so you have to purchase at least the starter individual. You cannot view the pricing unless you provide your data, which includes your name, phone number, and business email address. It costs $26 per month if you buy a year upfront, or $59 a month if you buy a quarter upfront. Regarding HubSpot, you can use their free account to connect the tools. What do reviews say? There are only 3 reviews of this app on HubSpot's app marketplace. 1 5-star review focused on a customer retention survey use case, and 2 not-so-favorable reviews that complain about the value for price and some alleged false promises from the demo team. In 2nd place, SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is the most well-known survey tool, not just on HubSpot, but it's usually the first choice for any company who wants to start collecting feedback. Is it the best choice though? The interface is a little dated, but there are good customization options. SurveyMonkey provides real-time reporting for quick data analysis and allows for targeted surveys to specific audience segments and more tailored insights. Key features of the integration with HubSpot include data sync, survey responses are automatically synced to your HubSpot CRM, and email integration. You can embed surveys directly into your HubSpot marketing emails. What do reviewers say? Even though this survey app has the most installs on the HubSpot app marketplace, it doesn't have the best ratings. Some users commented that the contact properties did not auto-populate with the survey data and that they had to do it manually. Additionally, some of the reviews commented that creating a custom survey with the integration was limited. Pricing. SurveyMonkey prices start from $25 a month per user for a paid team plan, with a minimum of 3 users, so really you have to pay at least $75. You will need a team plan to connect HubSpot. If you are using a SurveyMonkey basic free account, you will not have access to the HubSpot integration. Also, you will only be able to see a sample of responses unless you purchase additional access for 15 cents per response. And in 1st place, we have Survicate. Survicate is HubSpot's top-rated survey app. Insights are collected across email, website, in-product, and mobile apps with over 400 templates and a one-prompt AI-powered survey generator. Key features of the HubSpot integration. This is the only survey tool on this list that has a deep integration with HubSpot and includes the app cards feature. You'll be able to see survey responses directly in the HubSpot dashboard without having to switch between tools. You can also send data from HubSpot directly to Survicate's Insights Hub. HubSpotters use Survicate to facilitate workload delegation. Data from surveys can be easily accessed by everyone in the company. Tasks can be immediately assigned to the right person, and in some cases, automation can fully take over. This integration allows businesses to trigger surveys, providing personalized communication with customers based on responses. And of course, survey responses are automatically synced to your HubSpot CRM, allowing you to have a unified view of customer interaction. You can trigger web surveys based on specific user behaviors or attributes with advanced, precise targeting to always get contextual feedback from the right audience. You can also send surveys with HubSpot emails. Embedding the first question is as simple as dragging a HubSpot module into the email body. Survicate records partial responses and provides detailed analytics and reporting, which can be accessed directly within HubSpot in the Survicate panel or downloaded as PNG, PDF, CSV, or XLS formats. There is also a great integration with Google Sheets. Pricing. Survicate paid plans start at $89 per month for 250 responses. There is also a free trial that allows you to explore all of the best plan features for 10 days. Until the end of 2024, there is a special Survicate deal for HubSpot customers. You can get double the responses on any plan for the same price. To gain access to this deal, have a look at the link in description. The HubSpot and Survicate integration is available on all plans of both tools, including the free ones. What the reviews say. Survicate has the best rating of all the survey apps on the HubSpot app marketplace. Over half of the reviewers give the HubSpot and Survicate integration 5 stars. In the section What do you like, most reviewers mention ease of use and implementation.